Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another tutorial coming from me. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so that we can be friends. And when you subscribe, remember to click on the notification bell so that you get notification anytime I upload a new video. Those of you following me, I love you guys. Don't forget to share my video. Don't forget to thumb this video up. Alright guys, today is another beautiful tutorial. I did one experiment on one issue bothering my life for like 6 months now, and it came out very perfect. So guys, this tutorial is for those of us that are suffering from itchy nose, those that your nose itch you very well all the time. You can't resist touching your nose, scratching your nose, as if you scratch your nose as if your nose wants to like fall out. So this tutorial is for you. If you have a friend suffering from the same issue, this tutorial is for you. You help that friend by sharing this video so that they get it and get cured from it. So I use the palm kernel oil to cure my itchy nose. If you have itchy nose, this is the treatment. This is palm kernel oil. We all know palm kernel oil. Just go to the market and get original palm kernel oil. Start applying it on your nose. Massage your nose with palm kernel oil, then drop it inside your nose and leave it. Before 2 days, I tell you, this itchy on your nose will stop. So guys, if you have anybody going through the same itchy on her or his nose, please send this video to the person so that the person will get treated as well. This tutorial is for all those that have a itchy nose. This palm kernel oil is going to take care of it. Okay guys, if you find this video very interesting, very useful, give me a thumb up, share the video with others, like drop your comments on the comment chat below. I will always be there to reply to your comments. All right guys, so see you in my next video. Yeah, take care of yourself. Bye.